Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. So today's presentation is, friends, Birla Niara at Worli, and the code name is Rare. So let's begin with the presentation. So friend, this is Birla Niar at Worli, and this is at Century Mill Compound next to Siddhi Vinayak Temple, and the code name is Rare. So here the developer promises commitment of excellence and assurance. You can see the lobby entrance, how beautifully designed. It's a 30 feet lobby entrance. And the Birla legacy spans over millions of square feet, thousands of happy families, and 3 major cities in India. And Birla developers creating a life-designed space that lasts for a lifetime. So this is the location map. When you see over here, this is Birla Niara. Code name is Rare. And the site office is at Century Mill Compound. So this is next to Siddhi Vinayak Temple. And from here, Bandra Sea Link is very close. And secondly, the ecosystem is also very well developed in this area. So schools, gymnasium, hotels, college, restaurant, malls, and parks and amusement center. So all these are very close by from these projects, and the infrastructure is happening very fast in this area. So one of the infrastructure is metro line, which will be crossing very close by from this project over here. And secondly, you see there is a Bandra Sea Link, which is a coastal link, which is connecting to Bandra from Worli. This is very close to the project. And again, this coastal road will be extending further to, from Worli, it will be connecting to Haji Ali and then to Marine Lines and further on. And here also from Bandra, it will connect to Andheri, to Borivali and further on. So connecting to any part of Mumbai through this coastal line, which will be easier from this project. And secondly, this is at South Mumbai. So everything is close by from this project. This is how the elevation of the building is. It's a very sleek tower with 70 habitual floor and 5 level of podium parking and 3 levels of basement parking. So all the amenities are given on the 6th level of the podium parking. So you see over here, building is square. Right now they have launched only one tower. So this building is square. So all the flats are corners flats. So you have no obstruction at all. Secondly, there is a 360-degree view from the apartment. Any apartment you see over here, there are all the side views you are getting from this apartment. So all the flats are having 9.7 feet clear height has been given in the flats, and definitely Birla Estate is a branded developer, so you get a very quality product. Construction quality will be definitely 100% very good, and whatever the fittings and paint, sanitary, CP, wirings, paints, doors, slidings and everything, whatever fittings will be there inside the flat will be all branded fittings. So this is again one more image of Birla Niara, which is at Worli. So very beautifully designed and very sleek look of the building, very sharp look of the building. And if you see the distance wise, it is 4.2 kilometer from Worli Sea Link, 31 kilometer from Phoenix Palladium, 2.9 kilometer from Shri Siddhi Vinayak Ganpati Mandir, and 2.4 kilometer from Tata Memorial Hospital. So in amenities, developer has provided the social club, and the name for that club has been given Hive. The sports club is Be Fit, and the kids club is Playpen. So wonderful names has been given for each amenities. So in Hive, you have 5-star hospitality services like lounge bar, terrace, business center, bridal suite, spa and saloon, multi-purpose functional hall, library cave. So all these amenities are there in Hive, the social club. And in Be Fit, the sports club, you have state-of-art gymnasium, physiotherapy room, squash courts, aerobic rooms, yoga room, badminton court, and spinning studio. And then there's a play pen, so it's a kids club. So here you have indoor play area, toddlers play area, adventure area, and exercise area. So this is the image of the amenities above the podium parking. So this is on 6th level, and this itself height is 60 feet height. So your first floor starts from 60 feet height, and secondly you get both the views from your sunrise and sunset. So a very wonderful location, and you have a sitting arrangement over here, plus there's open gym, and this is the walking track. You can also jog over here. This is a jogging and walking track, and plenty of greeneries are there. And in one of the amenities, you see a beautiful banquet hall has been given. So there's a cycling and jogging track. In health and living, there's a juice bar, Garden of Eden for senior citizens, and Garden of Senses. So staying healthy is perfect, but it has a lot to do with where you stay. So in social hotspots, you have amphitheater steps, which is Spanish stairs, and in indoor-outdoor cinema, Infinity Garden, banquet greens, and fun for kids, you have children's playroom, kids water play area, swimming pool, kids pool, pool deck with cabanas. So Rare is the code name, and Niara is very luxurious project. The developer is Birla Estate, so you can imagine how the product will be. So Birla Niara has been designed for you to live life to the fullest. All you need to do is walk down the Spanish steps and enter the buzzing plaza, where you will find a myriad of avenue for leisure, shopping, and more. So there's a retail plaza given in this complex. So few of the projects which is already going on, that's Birla Tisya at Bangalore, Birla Vanya at Kalyan, and Birla Navya at Gurugram. And this is again one more project, Birla Niara at Worli. So they have few commercial project also, which is Birla Centurion Worli and Birla Aurora Worli. But these project, maybe they might give it on lease. They might not sell this project. They will give it on lease. So the leading architect for Birla Niara is Foster and Partners, which is an UK company. Landscape master planner is Sasaki, which is again a USA company. And structural engineers is Lera, which is again from USA, a New York company. So these are all the branded company partners for Birla Niara. So this is the beautiful image of the sea, and you see how full-size windows has been given. So you have natural light and good cross ventilation and very beautiful view, sea-facing view you are getting from this flat. So friends, the floor plan is not yet out, and this is just an builder is taking EOI, and the actual launch will take place on 15th of January. So developer is only taking the EOI. So for 2 BHK, EOI amount is 5 lakh rupees, and for 3 BHK, it is 10 lakh rupees, and for 4 BHK, it is 15 lakh rupees. Now when you see the sizes over here, 2 BHK 848, and it goes up to 853 carpet area, and price starts from 3.99 CR. And in 3 BHK 1150 is the carpet area, and it goes up to 1204 carpet area, and price starts from 6 crore 4 lakh rupees. Then 4 BHK is 1864 carpet area, and price starts from 12 CR. And 4.5 BHK, which is 2089, and it goes up to 2167 carpet, 2167 carpet, and price starts from 13.45 CR, and it goes up to 14 CR. So these are all the prices, and right now you have to only make the EOI, which is 5 lakh, 10 lakh, and 15 lakhs, and book your slot for the actual booking to invite you on 15th January and to give you the first right of refusal, open to select any flats in the building. First right of refusal will be given only for those people who have given EOI, expression of interest amount. So you can come that day, you can see the floor plan, you can see the location, and you can pass the flat and you can go as per your choice. And many schemes will be there, construction link plan will be there, and developer might come up with some other payment plan also, so that we have to wait and watch till 15 January. And possession for this first tower, which is launched, is in March 2028. So friends, for discount and for booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more video, one more project very soon. Don't forget to see one video which I will show you after this clip. Thank you for watching this presentation. Take care. Bye bye.